I've never seen him with that much weight on him before.
Yeah.
I want to talk a little bit about Bob and the immune builder that we're giving him. Kind of stiff, it's cold. He has always been a pretty mouthy horse. He would mouth your hands and actually bite a little bit. And we've never given him treats. And because of that, because we didn't want to make the situation worse. And we've had to kind of change how we're giving him this, because we could see his mouthiness becoming a problem. So I want to talk about what I've changed. Don't eat the lid. I had to go get the other one. He thought it was for him. So to keep from making this problem worse, I'm changing how I'm giving it to him, and I want to show it to you. If you're giving this to one of your horses, you might have a similar issue. So what I'm doing is I'm getting it on the stick, just like I was before. And instead of putting it in his mouth, I'm taking an alfalfa cube and painting it on the alfalfa cube. And it's sticky to begin with. And sticking the cube back together, making an immune builder sandwich. Then I'm dropping it in the feed bucket in the stall, letting him take it that way. He really likes it. And this way I'm not hand feeding him anything, creating a problem. So I'll drop it in his bucket and go get him and put him in the stall so he can eat it. I'm really happy with the results. I expect to be showing him next year. When I first got him 10 years ago, I was really excited about showing him. Wait for me. I was really excited about showing him because I won a world title on his sister. And at the time, he just never really developed. Now he's kind of developing like he should have to begin with. So I'm looking forward to showing him. And giving his immune builder supplement this way should make the mouthing problem that he seems to be prone to not be an issue. So this is Bob. I'll put a link up here to the other videos that I've done with him. Until next time, thank you for watching.